represents Caribbean Chemicals. Over the past 7 years, I've been a technical sales agronomist or quote-unquote technical sales consultant for the company, where I've been tasked with educating farmers on the uses of our products in terms of which crop, which is best to use it on, which pest to use it on, helping them to understand the label and adhere to the pre-harvest interval, which is very, very important, helping them to avert certain mishaps like pesticide resistance buildup, which is truly detrimental to crop cultivation throughout the world at this moment in time. Over the past few days, Caribbean Chemicals in combination with the Department of Agriculture in St. Kitts and that in Nevis collaborated to give training to farmers as well as the technical staff here at the Department of Agriculture in insect pest identification and management. In all, I was very, very impressed and humbled by the turnout of the farmers as well as the technical personnel. I am proud to say that the technical personnel at the Department of Agriculture in St. Kitts and also in Nevis are very well trained, very intelligent and very competent. It was really nice to just reinforce what most of them already know and present some new information. Hopefully I will be back here for open day or a little later to continue the training and give my support to the Department of Agriculture and by extension the farmers in any way I can. I look forward to coming back to St. Kitts and Nevis and to live in places like Frigid Bay, etc. Thank you.
I'm Ian Chapman, the head of the crop division in the Department of Agriculture, St. Kitts. We had Mr. Kennedy Paul from Caribbean Chemicals, a well-known specialist within the region, working with our extension staff and some farmers as to crop protection measures to improve what you say our overall crop production and productivity, improve our yields and better management practices to ensure we provide the necessary food for our country. We had a very interactive process. The officers was very inquisitive, asking questions about the various products and best strategies so that they could comfortably advise our farmers the way forward for 2023 to ensure that we enhance our production and our productivity to make sure that we stick to our mandates given to us to make sure that we have that food for the country.